Welcome back to Guitalele tutorials. In today's video, we are going to learn a very mystic sounding finger picking pattern. So the specialty of this particular pattern is that it actually sounds like it's playing two instruments on a single setup. Okay, so one is that it kinds of gives this drone effect. Okay, and it also gives you this arpeggiating effect. It sounds pretty well with the sliding finger chords that I have shown in the last video, so that you can find in the I buttons, or you can even try it with some minor version chords like A minor or D minor. So they also sound pretty nice with this particular finger pick. And you can also do the alternate bass picking along with this. Okay, it's up to you how you want to play this particular pattern. So now let's get into the detail on how to play it. Actually, there are two parts of this particular finger picking pattern, and we'll now just talk about the bottom four strings. Okay, or strings 1, 2, 3, 4. But you can actually implement the alternate bass with the thumb. Okay, so that's up to you how you want to do it, but the basic one is that you simply use the 4 strings. So now you see that within using the thumb, what we are going to do is that we are going to play this. Okay, so on every beat or every down beat you play this. Okay, so if there are, let's say, if we are playing 4x4 pattern, so that will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So you should play it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can mix it something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, or you can even go on a descending style. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's up to you how you want to play this, but the first part is that you have to play the arpeggio on the 3 strings. Okay, and for 3x4 patterns it's simply 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now that was the part where we are playing the down strums or the first beats. Okay, now usually where we use the up strum or the end part, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and that ands will be replaced with this. So use the 2 fingers, the index finger and the middle finger. Okay, so use the index finger and middle finger, and okay, so now you mix this up. So things is like that. So for every main beat or 1, 2, 3, 4, you play this 1, and then for the and part, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and okay, so now when you grab speed, it sounds like this. Okay, so now you hold a chord like the one that we played with the sliding fingers, and now if you play it, okay, so that's how you play it. Okay, now let's say you want to play it with a minor chord, so that's a 6-string chord in our case. So what you can do in that case is that you have variety of option actually. So now you can simply play the 4 strings, so that also works, and that also sounds pretty cool actually. Okay, or what you can do is that you can alternate the bass. So you play this bass and then you play these 2 strings, or you play this, or in the second one, let's say you are playing continuously 2 bars. So to get out of the monotony, what you can do is that okay, you can do like this for 5-string chords like D minor and all. So you can play like this. Okay, so that's up to you how you want to play it, or you can play like this. So your arpeggiating pattern you can change with the 5-string or 6-string chords. Okay, only thing is that you have to do the drone effect using this 1st string. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Give it a good practice, you will grasp it. It will take a little bit of time. It's not like any other simple patterns. It's a bit complicated, but once you get grasp of it, it's really nice to play. It's pretty cool with some it's pretty cool with some background musics and all. So keep that on, try that on, and let me know in the comments how it went.